How to fix shift log bug in Roblox Mobile. There are three different methods to this I'm going to explain to you. One of them should work for you, and the first one, and the most simple one, is by going out of the game you're having the shift log bug in, then type in this game here, RPG difficulty custom chart. Go ahead and go into that game, kind of load in, kind of go around for a little bit, just a few seconds is all that's necessary. And then once you've done that, you can leave the game and then go back into the game you were having the shift log issue in. And then for most of you, that should solve your issue. For whatever reason, if that does not work, another method is to simply delete the app from your phone. So whether you're on an Android or an iPhone, simply remove the app from the device, and then you want to reinstall it, re-download it, whether that's on the Google Play Store or the App Store. Same type of thing there. Go ahead and re-download it, then the issue should be solved. If not, a little bit more of a technical one, if you can clear the cache. If you don't know how to do that, you can look that up. It's a bit more technical and a bit too long to explain this, but that's one of the third options. But one of them should work for you. If it does, leave a like on the video and comment down below, and thanks for watching.